Imagine getting ready for work, turning the key in your car, and nothing happens. No engine, no movement, just silence. Or maybe all you hear is a series of clicks. If that sounds familiar, your starter motor could be trying to tell you something. In today's video, we'll go over 6 common signs of a failing starter motor, explain why they happen, and show you what you should do before you're left stranded. What does a starter motor do? The starter motor is one of the most important electrical components in your vehicle. Its job is simple, but critical. When you turn the ignition key or press the start button, the starter motor engages the engine's flywheel and spins the engine fast enough for it to begin running on its own. Without a properly working starter motor, your engine simply won't start. So, how can you tell when it's starting to fail?
Symptom number 1. The engine doesn't respond. The most obvious warning sign is when you try to start your car and absolutely nothing happens. No crank, no engine movement, sometimes not even a sound. While this could also be caused by a dead battery or ignition problem, a faulty starter motor is one of the most common causes. Symptom number 2. Repeated clicking sounds. If you hear rapid clicking or a single loud click every time you turn the key, don't ignore it. This usually means the starter is receiving electrical power but isn't able to engage the flywheel properly. Loose wiring, worn starter components, or low electrical power can all lead to this symptom.
Symptom number 3. Slow engine cranking. Does your engine crank much slower than it used to? A weak or worn starter motor may struggle to spin the engine at normal speed. Although a weak battery can produce similar symptoms, a starter that's reaching the end of its life can also be responsible. Symptom number 4. Grinding noise. A grinding sound during startup is a serious warning sign. This often means the starter gear isn't meshing correctly with the flywheel. If ignored, the damaged gears can eventually wear down the flywheel itself, leading to a much more expensive repair. Symptom number 5. Intermittent starting problems. Some days your car starts perfectly. The next day, it refuses to start. If the problem comes and goes without any clear pattern, the starter motor may have internal electrical or mechanical wear that's causing inconsistent operation. Intermittent problems rarely fix themselves. They usually get worse over time. Symptom number 6. Smoke or burning smell. If you notice smoke or smell something burning while trying to start the engine, stop immediately. An overheating starter motor, damaged wiring, or an electrical short can generate excessive heat. Continuing to crank the engine could damage other electrical components and increase repair costs. How to confirm the problem? Since several issues can produce similar symptoms, it's always a good idea to perform a proper diagnosis. An OBD2 scanner can help identify related electrical faults and other engine problems. While it may not directly tell you the starter motor has failed, it can rule out other issues and make troubleshooting much easier. A failing starter motor rarely quits without giving warning signs first. If you notice no response when starting, repeated clicking, slow cranking, grinding noises, intermittent starting, or a burning smell, don't wait until your car refuses to start completely. Fixing the issue early can save you time, money, and the inconvenience of being stranded. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-understand automotive repair tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.